Hello and welcome to SDSC Specialist Cars. This is our video review of Mazda MX-5, 58 registered, which is the metal folding hardtop version and been really well looked after. Great colour combination. She's got full black paint, solid black, not metallic, solid black paint, and tobacco coloured leather interior. It's like a very dark tan. It's lovely. Looks really good, really works well with the car. We're going to have a look around the car, have a look at the general condition. Starting on the front wing here, all really nice on there, lovely shine, look at that. Front wheel there, absolutely perfect. Coming along the driver's side, lovely shine, look at that. Like a mirror, look at the gravel reflecting, fantastic. Yeah, this is a 10, nearly 11-year-old car, look at that. Rear wheel there, really clean as well, really nice. Coming around the back of the car, no marks or scratches on here, twin exhaust pipes as well. No cracks in the rear lenses. Oh, we've got some dirt on there. That's right, it's a leaf from yesterday. We were valeted yesterday, it was pouring with rain. We've got the tonneau cover on the back there, which folds up. A couple of little stone chips just on the corner there, and another one just there. They're aluminium, these covers, so they do tend to get a little bit of corrosion in that on there. Rear wheel there, just a little bit light curbing just on the top edge. You can see that, nothing major though, all really nice. Along the passenger side, again, no scratches or marks. A couple of little scratches, actually, to be honest, they might just polish out on the mirror there. Very, very small though. Come along. And the front wheel there, again, just a little tiny bit of light curbing, nothing major though. Round the front of the car, all really clean. Headlights are really clean as well, always a good sign. No chips or anything on here, because being black they have a white undercoat, so it tends to show all the marks. But she's lovely along there. There's a couple of small ones on the bonnet, a couple of little tiny stone chips, very small, we can just touch those in. And I think she'll look lovely. Look at the clouds, look at that reflection. Oh, camera's losing focus. Then, like I said, inside, it's fantastic colour interior, just love it. Look at this, look at those seats. A little bit of tiny wear on the bolster, just getting in and out, nothing major though. Seat pads all lovely, and more importantly, no hole in the carpet. Every Mazda you go and see has got a hole in the carpet. It's a design fault. She's covered 65,316 miles. Paint or something on the steering wheel there, it's a bit strange. Got air conditioning as well, 6-speed manual gearbox, heated bum warmers, so heated seats. Obviously electric convertible top on this as well. I mean, the door shuts, she's all lovely, look. Driver's door card, really clean. Then we'll come round, have a look in the passenger side. Passenger seat looks immaculate, really lovely, look at that. Very light scratch just on the dashboard there, it's very, very small though. And the passenger door card all lovely and clean as well. We'll just come back round and open the bonnet. And under here again, lovely, look at that, how clean is that? They're just such good fun, these little MX-5s, they really are. They're just the epitome of what was the British sports car. Except these are reliable, and the roof doesn't leak. And you don't break down every 5 minutes. And when you turn the lights on, the lights work. You know, unlike your MGB back in the day. You know, when you turn the lights on, it's like, oh, they're going to work. Yay, they're working. Anyway, I digress. There we have it. Like I said, metal folding hardtop as well. Should you have any more questions, please give me a call. My name is Stuart, and our website is www sdsc.co.uk. Many thanks for watching.